You have certainly seen the white foam that waves carry to land and is known as sea foam. What is sea foam? How is it formed? Perhaps the Sunshine Coast in southeast Queensland is one of the coasts that witnessed the formation of large amounts of froth in the form of white foam that engulfs the place. How is butter formed? If you look at ocean water in a clear cup, you will see that it is not clear but rather full of fine particles. Seawater contains soluble salts, proteins, fats, dead algae, detergents, and other pollutants. If you vigorously shake this cup of ocean water, tiny bubbles will form on the surface of the liquid. Sea foam forms under similar conditions, but on a much larger scale, when storms form and oceans are irritated by wind and waves. These strong air currents cause small particles of fat to mix with algae, fish scales, coral and other contaminants suspended in seawater, resulting in a thick foam that closely resembles the foam produced by vigorously shaking a liquid. As large amounts of marine pollutants wash onto the shore, sea foam can be seen forming. With the availability of certain conditions, such as the erosion of a large number of algae or the death of a large group of fish, the opportunity becomes greater for the foam to flood large parts of the beaches. Is it toxic? Most sea foam is not harmful to humans and is often an indication of a healthy ecosystem of the oceans that form it. But when large harmful algae bloom close to shore, there is potential for negative impacts on human health and the environment. At certain stages of algae bloom, it can emit gases that may irritate the eyes and lungs of humans. Butter can also harm wildlife. This was indicated by a study on seabirds along the western coast of the United States, and concluded that the foam caused by decomposing algae caused the birds to lose their feathers, which led to a decrease in their temperature and inability to birds and the death of a large number of them.